The scare of heavy rains that people in Jammu and Kashmir woke up to on Friday soon turned to relief, with the overcast sky giving way to sunshine. The Met Department has forecast that the weather will remain mostly dry over the state during the next 4 days. However, light to moderate rain or thunder showers may occur at some places over the next 24 hours.
आने वाले कम से कम 3 दिन या 4 दिन हम कह सकते हैं 7 तारीख तक अब जम्मू कश्मीर में और कोई भारी बारिश होने की संभावनाएं नहीं है.
Heavy rains that lashed Srinagar and other parts of the valley last night stopped around Friday forenoon, and there was no major change in the water level in the Jhelum, which has been receding since Thursday. The administration responded swiftly to the overnight rainfall, sending teams to pump out the water. However, landslides remain a major concern. The state government has issued an alert and has said that it is ready for any exigency. The army is on standby, and the NDRF is also on alert.
लैंडस्लाइड होने का डर है, तो उसके लिए हमने सारा अलर्ट किया हुआ है. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को पूरा तैयार रखा हुआ है. एसडीआर की जो हमारी टीमें पहुंची हैं, 2 जो दिल्ली वालों ने हमें भेजी थी, वो आपने पूरी तैयार की रखी हुई है, और पूरे वॉलंटियर भी हमारे तैयार है. जब कभी भी हमें जरूरत पड़ेगी आर्मी वालों को कॉल कर लें.
फ्लड रेस्क्यू का सामान पूरा है. उसके अलावा हमने कुछ कंटीजेंसीज रखी है कि अगर कुछ खुदा न खास्ते ऐसा कुछ हो जाता है जिसमें बिल्डिंग कोलैप्स हो जाती हो या लैंडस्लाइड का खतरा हो, तो उसके लिए भी हम तैयार हैं.
Though authorities announced the reopening of schools in the valley that had been shut as a precaution for the last 4 days, a few are still closed. The Jammu-Srinagar highway remained closed for the 3rd day, leaving nearly 500 passengers stranded. Fresh landslides have led authorities to block traffic both ways, even as inclement weather has made the task of the Border Roads Organization that much harder.
यहाँ समस्या हम कैंट एरिया में रहते हैं, यहाँ कुछ सुविधा नहीं है. बाहर डिवाटरिंग का कोई ये है ही नहीं सुविधा. डिवाटरिंग लोगों को ये पानी परेशानी हो रही है.
The worst hit in the valley are perhaps the farmers whose crops suffered huge losses due to the unseasonal rains.
बहुत नुकसान हो रहा है. नीचे खेत है गेहूं का, कणक का, उसमें सब्जी है, वो भी बहुत नुकसान हुआ है.
The flood-like situation has caused considerable loss to many in the valley, even as the state government has done its best to deal with the situation. Much still depends on the weather, and with the Met Department predicting dry weather for the next few days, one can hope that life will soon return to normal. With Neeraj Singh in Srinagar, Newsnight Desk, DD News.